Welcome to Stupidly OCD, a learning channel all about tips, tricks, hacks and some crazy projects that we've got lined up for you. Get subscribed, give us a like and ring that bell to see future notifications on all our upcoming videos. Stupidly OCD is a channel for the DIYer. We are here to help people get their projects in line, intact, get it up square, how to do it correct from the word go. Planning is everything, and at Stupidly OCD we'll take you through the process. We'll have plans available and we're giving them away for free. No upfront fees, no paying for any type of planetary. Click on the link, download it. So remember, get subscribed, like the video and ring that bell and check out the future videos, and you'll see links in the comments showing our plans that you can go and download yourself. If there's any type of project that you want to lay your hands on, something that you want to do, something that you are doing, drop a comment, any advice will be given, and hell, maybe we'll even do a video of it ourselves and then show you, take you step by step how to get it done and how to make your project better. So remember guys, don't be stupid, be stupidly OCD.